Kids are bored at home. They are unable to go out and play. So they want to have something interesting in their dinner. So what to do? I'll give you an idea. Hello friends, I'm Dr. Amrita Varimbe, pediatrician and nutrition expert, and this is my channel Mom's Wonder Cookbook. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it as I'm going to share many interesting and healthy recipes especially for your kids. Today I'm going to share with you a quick dessert recipe, and I'm sure when the kids see this dessert they'll be happy and happy. So my today's recipe is quick Oreo dessert bowl. Now let us see all the ingredients required for our quick dessert bowl. I have taken here 8 Oreo biscuits, 1 cup of milk, then 3 teaspoons of powdered sugar, you can even take normal sugar, 1 teaspoon of corn flour and 1 dairy milk. You can see that very minimal ingredients are required for this recipe. Now I will start preparing the recipe. Now at first let us remove the cream from the biscuits. You must be wondering why I am showing this recipe. Is it healthy? Actually, it is a treat for your child. You also have cheat days, right? Now I have removed cream from all the biscuits. We are going to use this cream for our topmost layer. Now at first I will make a fine powder of this Oreo biscuits. Made powder of the Oreo biscuits. Now we will make the first layer of our dessert bowl. So this will be our first layer. I will put it into the bowls. You'll have to make a smooth layer. So I have made the first layer of the dessert bowl. Now I will keep these bowls into refrigerator. Let's prepare the second layer of our bowl. So for that I have taken this 1 cup of milk in a vessel. To this I will be adding powdered sugar and I will mix it well. As the sugar is already powdered, it gets mixed well in minutes. Now I will add corn flour and make a smooth paste. After making a smooth paste of corn flour and milk, we will have to cook it on low flame. Now we will cook this mixture of milk, corn flour and sugar. Important in this is that you have to keep the flame very low and you have to stir the mixture continuously so that no lumps are formed. So see that the mixture is thick, and once it comes to room temperature it will become more thicker. So you have to cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes to get this consistency. So now I will keep the mixture to cool, and once it comes to room temperature I will add it to our dessert bowl. Now let us start preparing the third layer of our bowl. For this I have taken dairy milk Cadbury pieces and the cream which we had removed from Oreo biscuits. Now using the technique of double boiling, I am going to melt it together. Double boiling is a technique of melting chocolate in which you keep the katori of chocolate into a container which has water boiling. So because of that heat and the chocolate melts. If you want, you can even add a little bit of milk into this katori. You can now see that a smooth mixture of chocolate is now formed. I have just added 1 teaspoon of milk to make this mixture. Now let us keep it for cooling. So on one side our milk and corn flour mixture is cooling, and on the other side the cream and chocolate mixture is cooling. Now let us assemble all the layers of our dessert. So our first layer we had already made. It is made up of crushed Oreo biscuits. Now in the second layer I am going to put the mixture of milk, corn flour and sugar. So our mixture is now thickened and I am going to make the second layer. If you want to make this dessert more healthy, you can even add fruits like banana, strawberry or mangoes in this second layer. So in the same way, I will make the second layer of all the 3 bowls. So see how we can make our dessert more healthy. Now for the third layer, I'll add the chocolate and cream mixture. Our quick, yummy Oreo dessert bowl is ready. Make it for your kids and see how happy they will be to receive this treat.
Friends, make this super easy dessert at home. In fact, take your kids' help in making this dessert. I'm sure they'll enjoy more. I'll be sharing with you many more kid-friendly recipes in my future videos. So keep watching. Bye bye friends. Take care. Goodbye. Stay safe.